We were studying about introduction to graph. Introduction to graphs. Now, in this chapter, 2 or 3 topics that we have completed. First is our bar graph. Second thing, double bar graph. And third thing, pie chart. These are the 3 things that we have studied in this chapter. And we have studied 2 major points about these 3 things. 2 major points. One is drawing of the graphs, कि कैसे ड्रॉ करना है ग्राफ को. And second thing is interpretation. Every time when we are talking about graphs, no, you just go with these 2 things, drawing and interpretation. These are the 2 major things that you should know about graphs. Okay, now the next topic that we are having, this is our last topic of this chapter, I'll say. This is linear graph. Linear graph. And this is also the simplest one. Okay, now how do we draw, how do we interpret from the linear graph? Let's see. First thing, as its name suggests, linear. Linear means it is where we will see line. हम क्या देखेंगे ऐसे ग्राफ में? We will see line. ठीक है. अब देखो करना क्या है. जैसे मेरे पास एक डेटा है, मैं एक टेबल क्रिएट कर लेता हूँ. ठीक है, मैंने एक टेबल क्रिएट किया और इस टेबल को इस तरह से मैं लीनियर ग्राफ बनाऊंगा. ठीक है, इस बार हम लोगों ने बार ग्राफ बनाया है. Just a minute. So we are talking about linear. We are having this data where I'll just create some columns for the data. So just suppose we are having, for any country we are talking about or a city. We are talking about a city where population in some particular years from 2016, okay, sorry, it should be year here, year, okay. In 2016 the population was 2.5 lakh, okay. Population I will be writing in lakhs, ठीक है. Then in 2017 population was 3 lakh, 2018 it was 3.2 lakh, okay. Then 2019 the population was 3.5 lakh and 2020 it is 3.7 lakh, okay. Like this we are given with some data and we need to prepare what? A linear graph. हम लोगों को क्या बनाना है? Linear graph. Now how do we prepare? First we will draw our axis. This is our y-axis, okay. Then there it is our x-axis. Now just see similar thing we do in bar graph also. हम axis उसमें भी draw करते हैं. हाँ, then we write scale. Scale भी लिख सकते हैं हम. देखो यहाँ पे मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ? Here I will be writing year, ठीक है. और यहाँ पे मैं क्या लिखूँगा? On y axis what I will be writing? Population, okay. Now just see, we are having this is 0.5 और population हम किस में लिख रहे हैं? Population in lakh. 0.5 lakh, 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh, 3.5 and 4 lakh. Now here I will be writing year 2016, 2017, now 2018, 2019, 20, 20. Okay, this we have written. Now we will check one by one. In 2016 how much was the population? 2016 में population कितना है? 2.5 lakh. So I will go and mark a point. See, above 2016 and in front of 2.5 I will mark a point. एक point लगाया मैंने. Similarly, in 2017 how much is the population? It is 3 lakh. So I will above 2017 and in front of 3 I will mark a point. Then in 2018 how much? 3.2. So 3.2 is in between 3 and 3.5. So I will again mark a point for 2018. Then 2019 it is 3.5. So again I will mark a point 2019. Then 2020 it is 3.7. So it is in between this one. So I will mark a point here. Now what I will do? I will use my ruler. मैं अपने ruler को लूँगा और इनको points को क्या कर दूँगा? Join कर दूँगा. You can see like this. And our graph is ready. This is our linear graph. ये हमारा कौन सा graph है? Linear. You can see lines are there ना? Lines are there in this graph. So this is our linear graph. Now what is the scale of the graph? Scale भी लिखना है हमने तो हमने 1 यूनिट इक्वल टू कितना लिया है? 1 यूनिट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी लैक्स? 0.5 लैक्स. 1 यूनिट इज 0.5 लैक्स. दैट इज देयर. ओके, और वी कैन राइट 0.5 लैख का मतलब क्या होता है? हाफ लैख. और हाफ लैख को हम 50,000 भी लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट 50,000 ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल बी प्रिपेयरिंग योर लीनियर ग्राफ. This was the topic that we were left that day, last class. We have already discussed about bar graph, double bar graph, pie chart, linear graph. So now all the topics are over. So basically now what you have to do, you will just go with the questions of your textbook and try to solve them.